Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of rotate on Bumble app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of rotate on Bumble app, you should just go to settings. In the first, you can go to the window of apps and you can click on Bumble app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors. You can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you can go to your Wi-Fi. You can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for